Hello everyone, we are Shirley Guadalupe and Juan Carlos, and today we will explain the process of merge and data cleaning for cafe sales data analysis. First, we import the necessary libraries, mainly pandas for data manipulation and NumPy for numerical operations. Next, we load the two datasets. The first one contains the sales information, and the second one contains the transaction details. After loading the files, we review the structure of each dataset using the info function. This helps us identify the columns, data types, and possible missing values. Finally, we merge both datasets using the transaction ID column as the main key. We apply a left join to keep all sales records while adding the corresponding transaction details. This process creates a unified dataset ready for the next steps of data cleaning and analysis.
Then we are going to explore the integrated dataset. First of all, we need to see the dimension of the data frame, so we use shape. Then we need to know the types of the date of each column, so we use dtypes. And finally, we need to verify how many null entry points there are, so we use null.sum. Then we need to identify problematic values. First of all, we need to classify the categorical columns and get every unique value. Now we need to replace all invalid values like error and unknown for valid null entries. As you can see, the numbers of null entry points is bigger than the last time we saw it. As you see, when we verify the data types, all the columns were objects, not floats. So we need to handle that. We need to convert the numeric columns to numeric type. Well, let's handle the null values. First, there are so many null values in this dataset, so let's fix it. First of all, let's fill the categorical columns with the mode and all the numeric columns with the median. Finally, let's recalculate the total spend for all the datasets. So, we see there is no null entry point, we only have left the transaction date. The last step is to fix the dates. So, we need to convert all the column to datetime and then drop all the rows where the date is null. After all those steps, we finally have the final dataset clean, and there is no null entry points anymore. The final step is to export the clean dataset to a CSV file format.